Shocking incident of oxygen supply disruption at a COVID hospital in Andhra Pradesh's Tirupati. As many as 11 patients out of 135 were on ventilator support have lost their lives after late-night disruption in oxygen supply. Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy has ordered a probe into this incident, sought a report from the authorities. He's also directed officers to take action. TDP has slammed the Jagan Mohan Reddy government, saying it was pure criminal negligence that caused the deaths.
Another act of criminal negligence had costed many lives in Ruya General Hospital in Tirupati in Chittoor district today. Being such a huge facility treating COVID patients, the government was supposed to be extra careful. But today, because of the gross negligence of Jagan Reddy's government, precious lives have been lost in Ruya Hospital due to lack of supply of oxygen. This is pure criminal negligence on part of Jagan Reddy's government.
About Andhra Pradesh's Tirupati, it's a shocking incident of oxygen supply disruption. 11 out of 135 patients on ventilator support have died after disruption in oxygen supply. Ashish is joining us for the details now. Ashish, there was a disruption in oxygen supply and 11 patients have died because of this disruption. Let me just put it straight. It's not because of COVID, not because of anything else, but because of disruption in oxygen supply. Who is to be held accountable for this particular mess? Is this going to be the hospital who is going to be held accountable, or would you say it is the fault on the part of the government? What are you picking up?
So clearly, politics have also erupted over this incident, Chaiti. First of all, let me inform you about the entire incident. So around 8 p.m. on Monday evening, when the authorities, the ward persons informed the hospital authority that oxygen pressures are not adequate and oxygen ventilators, all these ventilators started sounding alarm. And that led to a chaotic panicking situation in the ward, in the ICU ward, whether it was ICU ward for male or female patient. And immediately hospital authorities swung into action, but as per district collector, as per Chittoor collector, within 8 minutes of time, they assured the proper oxygen supply. But meanwhile, unfortunately, 11 patients lost their life. 5 are still critical. Doctors are trying to revive them. Remember, this is a government hospital, one of the biggest hospital of Rayalaseema region, almost 1,000 bedded hospital with 135 oxygen bed alone. And it is one important COVID care hospital in Andhra Pradesh. And there, if oxygen pressure drops down and that leads to casualty of at least 11 patients, it raises several questions. And that's why opposition parties are now trending guns. They are asking questioning the Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy government. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy has ordered a probe. He has sought an immediate inquiry and immediate report from the district administration as well as hospital authorities, Chaiti.
All right, we leave it at that. Thanks for joining us with the very latest details on this story, Ashish.